Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a vintage Coach Court in bottle green right here. I just want to give you guys some eye candy today. This is my most recent acquisition to date, and I probably will stop at this unless I find a lunchbox bag, the style number 9991. I am looking for that, but I don't know if I can find the color I want for the price I want to pay, so we'll see what happens. But for now, this is the last bag that I bought, and I'm really liking it so far. It's in pretty much mint condition. You can see some scratches over here, which is normal for a vintage bag. But when I first got this, there was like a little bit of scuffing, like a very tiny bit of scuff here in the corners. And now it's gone. I just basically put leather CPR, my conditioner, on it, and now it's gone. The bag basically is very, very barely used. I went through it, and like all vintage bags, you get some surprises. I found like maybe two candy wrappers in there, or one candy wrapper, and the inspected by paper that comes with the bag. So it was really surprising. It's a nice surprise. Anyway, so today I've got this packed. I'm gonna be using it tomorrow, so I just wanted to let you guys see the inside and what I packed in here and what can fit. So yeah, let's open her up. And the back flap of the Court is also leather. It's not the raw part of the leather. It's two double-faced, so one on the front and one on the back. Also on this side of the compartment, this side is finished. The other part is raw. It's raw over here. You can't see it. These are my masks. I've got... Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. I've got wipes over here. So just the flat parts of or the things that I can smush in. That's right there. And then over here, I've got my sippy cup, my earbuds in a case, my round coin purse, and my little wallet. And in the back zip pocket, I've got my keys. So I found that I really like putting keys in the back zip. I know that's like somewhat inconvenient when you're out and about and you just want it to be in the back compartment right here. But I don't want to scratch any part of the leather, so that's why I avoid putting it here in the back slip pocket and in the front slip pocket. So I don't want my keys grazing on the finished part of the leather. So I put it in the back zip where both sides are the raw leather parts. So yeah. So I mean, I can still put a lot of things in here. I can put probably a full-size sunglass case sideways. If I don't have my water bottle, I can probably put like, I don't know, a taller water bottle. Because this one's like a 250 ml only, so a normal size water bottle would fit for sure. And like my phone goes in the back pocket as usual. I always put it at the back. And so yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be carrying tomorrow. So yeah. Also, I know it would be, maybe some people might find this weird, but you see the veins on the front part here? Like, these are not scratches. These are actually like veining from the full grain leather. From my research and from talking with other bag people, the lines are actually like fat lines from the cow that had these lines in its skin. So that's part of the full grain feature, is that you just never get like a fully smooth leather. I really don't mind this. I mean, like, the lines are perfectly natural, and it kind of reminds me of the you know, the Hermes Togo leather, how people always say, oh, Togo leather has veining. Well, this has veining, so you don't need to go to Hermes to get veining. It's just cowhide. So yeah, so that's my quart in bottle green. I love the color. I love the brass against the green. I almost bought the green with brass bucket bag or duffel 16. I think it's duffel 16 from Coach Originals. But I saw this first and this was actually cheaper than that. So I'm really happy with this. It's got the top handle, crossbody strap, turn lock. What more can you ask for? So very easy carry, very easy to use. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please consider subscribing below and liking this video, and stay safe, you guys. See you guys later. Bye.